Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and charging the Hesh earbuds. You want both pieces ready so pairing won't fail. Make sure the case and each bud show charging LEDs. If not, leave them on the charger for 20-60 minutes. Once done, turn Bluetooth on your phone to visible discoverable mode so the headset can appear. You do this first because low battery or hidden Bluetooth are the most common blockers. Now you're ready to initiate pairing without wasted steps. You remove the earbuds from the case and watch them power on automatically. This is important because they often enter pairing only when awakened. If they don't enter pairing, press and hold the multifunction button on either bud for about 3-5 seconds until the LED flashes. This indicates pairing mode. Then, on your phone, select Skullcandy Hesh from the Bluetooth list. Hold steady and avoid selecting other devices. The flashing LED means the earbuds are actively waiting to connect to your device. You should hear a confirmation tone and see the phone show connected. Test by playing a short audio clip and making a quick call so you confirm mic and audio routing. If connection fails, reset the earbuds by holding both multifunction buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash differently. This clears old pairings. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. If issues persist, make sure no other device is actively connected and clear your phone's Bluetooth cache. Then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.